Good evening to everyone. I'm Dr.K.Kannan, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Dr. SNS, Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today we are discussing about agent for computing. Next topic is need for agent for computing. The agent for computing are essential technologies that complement the cloud computing, particularly in the context of modern application that requires the low latency and real-time processing and efficiency of data management. The first one is low latency and real-time processing. The many applications such as autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, and smart cities require the real-time data processing with minimal delay. But cloud computing in alone cannot meet this requirement due to the time it takes to send data to decent cloud server and back. The edge computing processes the data closer to the source, reducing the latency and ensuring the faster response time. Then fog computing provides a network of edge devices that network needs to work with the cloud infrastructure to distribute the processing the power across multiple nodes. The next one is reduce the bandwidth usage. With the growth of IoT connected, the devices sending the vast amount of data to cloud servers can over networks the increasing cost and solving the performance. By processing data locally or near the source, at the edge or in the fog, the only relevant data is sent to the cloud, reducing the need for the constant of high bandwidth communication. The next one is improve the security and privacy. The transmitting the sensitive data to the cloud increases the risk of the breaches during the transits. The processing data at the edge or fog layer allows the organization to filter, analyze and secure data before it even leaves the local environment. This improves data security and helps with the compliance, particularly in industry with strict regulations and healthcare and finance. The next one is scalability for IoT applications. As the number of IoT devices grows, the managing the massive amount of data becomes more challenging. The agent for computing helps the scale systems by distributing the computing tasks across the various nodes and devices rather than relying on centralized and cloud servers. This scalability is crucial for applications for smart homes and industry IoT and remote monitoring system. The next one is energy efficiency. Agent for computing can reduce the energy required to send more energy efficient and supporting the distributed services of the network. The agent ensuring the efficient handling of massive data streams and maintaining the quality of services are different network sizes. Next one is decentralized architecture. Traditional cloud architecture lay the centralized data centers which can become the bottlenecks in terms of performance and data flow. Agent for computing the promote the centralized regional architecture, distributing the computing the load closer to end user and users. This centralization ensures system the reliability and resilience as even the cloud services experience downtime. The edge services devices or fog needs can continue to operate independently. The next one is cost efficiency. The offloading task, the agent fog devices reduce the cost of cloud services as the less data needs to be processed and stored in the cloud, localized and data processing. Also they reduce the need expensive high bandwidth connectivity. For business perspective, with the agent for computing, they offer the cost-effective way to handle the massive data volume without the overwhelming their cloud infrastructure or paying for the continuous cloud storage and processing. Next one is the enhanced mobility is application that demand high mobility such as autonomous vehicles, drones and smart transportation system. The benefit the significant from agent fog computing. This system needs to process data on the move and cannot afford the delays caused by the sending data to and from the distant data centers. Next one is the data devices in vehicles. To roadside, the infrastructure can process data locally, enabling the real-time decision, the collision avoidance and traffic management without the needing the communicate with cloud server. Thank you.